Oh, he's liking it.
His first little mini bike. His brother had the Warrior, the big one. That's the Doodlebug. It's put a new 3 horsepower motor on it. Doesn't have much pickup, but once it's got a good top end on it, even with my heavy butt on it. I got it up pushing 38, 37 mile an hour. I think my nephew got it up close to 40. We were talking with my four-wheeler, but of course Caleb's not going to do that fast on it.
Takes it a minute to get there though. Nice. Max.
Hey, what you think? You just want to play ball, don't you? You don't care about no Baja. Nice little mini bike.
Get on it, give it some gas. There you go, give it the gas. Woo!
Alrighty.
Very cool. Highly recommend if you got
Little ones. He's 7, so that's the right size for him. See you guys.